Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add texture to a text on Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section. Here, you're going to find this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, Shared Drive, and so on. And right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find these options right here. So from here, you can start a new project, open from computer. You can choose a template, and you can also install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on your project. Once you click on your project, you're going to find this window right here. So from here, as you can see, guys, you can choose the name for your project. Right here, you can choose the width, the height. You can choose also the DPI and the background for your project. Right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a size for your image. So I'm going to go right now to screen and then choose a size from here. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then click on create. Once you're here, you can add an image if you want by clicking on File, then click on Open, and then you can choose the image you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this image. And right now, if you want to add a text, just go ahead and click on this text tool or type tool. Then once you do that, just go ahead and click whatever you want. Then you can type anything. For example, I'm going to type tutorial right here. You can also change the size of the text right here. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you can choose the font that you want to use for the text. Right here, you're going to find all of the options. You can change the placement of the text. Right here, you can change the color if you want. And once you finish, go ahead and click on this icon right here, and then your text will be added. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.